Hi everyone, I thought I would talk to you today about witches' runes. So first of all, this one is the moon, which represents the divine feminine and magic. Use this symbol in rituals to enhance power or to invoke the moon goddess. The next one is Crossroads. Use this symbol if you're going through a big change or if you wish to bring that change to your life. Use this rune to help you make a decision. The next one is the star. This is the rune of wishes. So use this symbol to attract that which you desire. Use it for luck and prosperity workings. Then the next one is woman. This represents the feminine, and use it to represent the feminine or call upon the goddess in your workings. And the next one is man. This one represents the divine masculine, so use this to represent the masculine, strength, or call upon male deities. So use this one in workings associated with that. The next one is the sun. So this symbol represents growth, happiness, strength, and the masculine. Use this for invoking sun gods and goddesses, and use this symbol for protection and for happiness. So you could carry it around in your pocket or wear it on a chain or something. The next one is harvest. This represents prosperity and abundance. Use this symbol in workings when dealing with money and bringing good things into your life. The next one is romance. Use this rune to attract romance or infertility workings. And you can also use this symbol to heal broken hearts. So this one's all associated with the heart and romance and feelings. Then the next one is the rings. Use this symbol for binding and to strengthen bonds, and use this in business workings to strengthen a contract. So if you're starting a contract at work and you want it to be successful, use this rune. The next one is the eye. Use this symbol for psychic workings or in spells to find out the truth. You can also use the eye for protection, much like the evil eye symbol. You can use that to protect you. The next one is the scythe. And this symbol is used to break curses or bad luck. And it can also be used to break the bonds of a relationship. So if you're doing a separation working, you can use this symbol in that. The next one is flight. This symbol represents higher knowledge, and use this one for starting a new business or a job, and use this to learn something new. So if you're starting a new job and you want it to be quite successful, use this rune. The next one is waves. This symbol represents purity. Use this for forgiveness or to wash away negative feelings, and use this symbol for healing workings. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this little brief introduction into witches' runes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.